Hey everyone, this is how to update Hopper app. So the first step is to go ahead and open the Play Store on your mobile device. Then after opening the Play Store, you will see three options on the bottom of your screen. Games, apps and search. Simply tap on the bottom right option called search. And after you tap on it, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and search for Hopper. Then after you search for Hopper, you'll see an app that you've downloaded which has 10 million plus downloads, and if there is any pending updates, you'll see the update button instead of open. But if you have already downloaded the updated version, you'll not see any update. So it is that easy. This is how you can update Hopper on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.